Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Mazda Mazda6. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 5,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mazda's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.